Hi, my name is Gaby, and today's topic of meditation is me who feels lazy. When I look back over my life, the times when I struggled to do something, it was usually because I was avoiding fear. I was afraid to fail. And my way to counter this fear was to aim really high. I would put the bar so high that it couldn't even touch this fear of failure. I know this isn't logical, and the irony is by putting the bar so high, I had no space to fall, which meant no space to grow. Meditation has been the tool that has allowed me to look into my mind and see the habits, the patterns that I have. Rather than blindly being pulled by my thoughts, my emotions, I can start to understand why I feel stressed, overwhelmed, worried, why I avoid certain things. It was never about trying harder. I think everyone is trying the best they can in this ever-increasing, fast-paced world. But by slowing down and looking within, I could start letting go of the fear. Honesty is what sets the heart free. By meeting the fear instead of trying to avoid it, I was finally able to give myself space to grow.